In this video I will show you how to manage your drip investment, and how to calculate how much drip you can earn by using a handy spreadsheet that is freely available. If you want to find out how to grow your drip account, then keep watching all the way to the end. The Drip Faucet spreadsheet can be downloaded from the nice people at Team Drip Guide and can be adjusted with your own details. If you've never heard about Drip, and want to find out how you can earn 1% every day with the Drip cryptocurrency, please watch my Drip video first. I will drop the link below. To download this spreadsheet, simply visit the teamdripguide.com website and click on the Drip Guide Faucet Calculator link to open the spreadsheet in Google Docs. Click the small icon to expand the sheet in a new window. Before you continue, you must create a copy of the spreadsheet. Go to the File menu and select Make a Copy. This will create your own copy of the spreadsheet. Once the sheet is opened in a new window, you can enter your own details. I have invested 110 drip in the contract, so if you want to change this, click in the Starting Deposit box, and change the amount in the box above. The spreadsheet will automatically calculate the rest of the numbers, like your hydrate periods, deposits, gas spent, and all the rest. You always need BNB to pay for the gas transaction fees, so if you want to change the BNB price, click here. And to change the price of drip, enter the dollar amount here. The current price for drip is $24, but if it goes up to $30, you can enter 30 here. If you want to change the dates, simply follow the same process. Put your mouse on the date to change, and enter the current day. The sheet will do the rest. These are the major adjustments that you need to make. There are also two blue columns. The first one is where you enter the amount of drip that you deposit after your initial investment. If you invest one extra drip every week, you must enter a number 1 in this box every 7 days. I like to dollar cost averaging, so I put in 1 drip every week to grow my drip balance. 1 drip is the price for a simple lunch or a few beers in the pub, so I don't mind spending a little bit in the contract. Remember to not invest money that you can't afford to lose. I am not a financial advisor. You are responsible for your actions. I only show you what I do, and you should never copy other people. This is crypto, and anything can happen, so don't blame me if something goes wrong. You can see how much daily interest you will make in the daily interest value column. I get a 1% return on my 100 drip daily, so at the current drip price, that's $26 per day. Not bad at all for a minute of work. I only need to compound once per day, and leave the contract making money for me on autopilot. It's just amazing. The payday column contains a 0, as this is the day that you hydrate or compound. If you take out or withdraw drip from the contract, then add the amount here. You will see all the numbers will change. That's because if you take out drip from the contract, then there's less drip to earn 1% per day from, minus the 10% tax, and the spreadsheet automatically calculates the balance so you always have the correct numbers. I suggest that you compound drip every day to optimize your profits. When you have compounded for 365 days, the contract ends, so make sure to withdraw all your drip before the 365 days are over. Your maximum payout is 100,000 drip, so you cannot go higher than that amount. These green lines appear every 100 days, to make it easy for you to see how much drip you have earned. This spreadsheet will really help you to plan your investment. Let's go fast forward to 300 days. You can see that I will have grown my 110 drip in 300 days to over 1900 drip, earning me $459 a day, and that is at the current drip price. If the price of drip will go up, and I'm pretty sure it will as there are new projects coming out soon, I will make even more money. One of the projects that will influence the drip token price is the Mana Farm and the Drip Liberation smart contract. It's the pancake swap of drip that will launch soon, and get a lot of attention in the media. Feel free to play with the spreadsheet, and enter in your information. Just remember that once you reach 100,000 drip you need to stop hydrating and stop making additional deposits. From there on you basically just claim and sell your drip. This spreadsheet will take care of that for you. All you need to worry about is hydrating day after day, and if you have earned enough, cash out all your drip, and enjoy the rest of your life. If you want to join, or find out more about the Drip network, download my free Drip guide in the description box below. Or use my Drip link to join the Drip network with my buddy address to get going and make money on autopilot. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the beautiful bell to get my latest videos first. Have a great day.